How to log out of Snapchat account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can go ahead and log out of your Snapchat account and then add another account if you like. So for that, you need to install the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. Go ahead and launch the application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the avatar icon in the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to your settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Logout. Tap on Logout again to confirm. And if you've saved your credentials before logging in, your logging back in process will be easy. You can change that setting from the login screen as well by removing your account. Then tap on Logout. Now, if you want to remove your account from this certain device, go ahead and tap on Remove Account in the bottom that is highlighted in blue color and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and log out of your Snapchat account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.